Hello, in today's video I will show you how to backup and restore your Android phone to your computer. First, open up the Play Store and search Smart Switch. Tap on the Install button to download the app to your device. Once installed, open the app. When you open Smart Switch, you'll be prompted to select how you want to back up your data. For this tutorial, we'll use the USB cable option. Make sure you have a USB cable ready to connect your phone to your computer. Go to your computer, open a browser, and visit the Samsung Smart Switch website. Download the version for your operating system, Windows or Mac OS, and install the program. If Smart Switch cannot be installed, make sure you disconnect your phone before you install Smart Switch into your computer. Then click Retry, accept the terms, and click Next. Click Finish. Use your USB cable to connect your phone to your computer. Your phone should be detected automatically. If it's not, make sure you grant access to your phone when you first connect it to your computer. You can also do this by swiping down on your phone, then select Transferring Files. On the Smart Switch program, you'll see an option to Backup. Click on it, and the program will start saving your phone's data, including contacts, messages, photos, and apps, to your computer. But in this example, I will just back up my photos. So I am just going to deselect all and only select the Images option. Over to the right, select the file format you want. I am going to select the second option, then click Backup. Backup can take few seconds to minutes depending on how big the file is. Wait for the process to complete. When it's complete, click OK. That's how simple it is to back up your phone to your computer. Now let's move on to restoring the phone. To demonstrate this, I will delete the photos on my phone to show you how the restore process works. All the photos are now gone and even permanently deleted from the trash. I will go back to the computer and click on the Restore button. I'll make sure my phone is still connected to the computer. Next, I'll select the file I want to restore and click Restore. This process will take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the file size. As you can see here, my phone is receiving the file. Once the restoration is complete, I can return to my photo gallery. As you can see, the photos have been successfully restored. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.